So today I'm going to show you what investing $200 every single month into a S&P 500 fund is going to earn you over a long-term time period. So we're going to break it out into 5, 10, 20, and even 30 years and see how this is going to look. I'm getting my information as far as current numbers on the seekingalpha.com, looking at Vanguard S&P 500 ETF ticker number VOO. And you can see right over here, dividend yield is currently 1.32. 5-year growth is 6.08, and so I plugged these numbers in right over here. You're going to see these, and the annual share increase appreciation is about 8%. We're going to go with that, and then our annual contribution is $2,400, which of course is going to be $200 every single month, and then we're going to be doing a quarterly distribution with dividend drip, which is essentially taking any dividends you earn throughout this time period and reinvesting back into this portfolio. So we're going to start with the 5-year time period and see where this number brings us. And so in the first 5 years, you are going to have an ending balance of over $14,700, which is a 20% return on your money. You're going to have an annual dividend income of $178, and in total, you have earned about $343. Let me move that out of the way. $343 in total dividends. Now, if you take in, what is that, $2,400 times 5 years plus the $200 that you initially invested, you had put in $12,200. So let's go ahead and see how 10 years is going to change these numbers right over here for us. So go ahead and plug in that 10 years, and you're going to see this really nice increase right over here. So we're looking at $36,956 return, which is about 52% return on your money. You're going to start earning dividends of about almost $410 every single year and almost $1,600 in total. And again, this is just keeping up with the exact same amount, which is about $200 a month or $2,400 annually into this account, which is not changing at all. So you can see these numbers just piling up over time. So let's go ahead and see how 20 years works on this, because compounding interest is really powerful. So we're going to show you how impactful this is going to be now. So after 20 years, in this account, you're going to have $122,000, which is 154% return, almost $1,200 in annual dividend, which is equaling out to about $100 every single month, and then you're going to have a total of $8,600 earned in just dividends. And again, this is still contributing just $2,400 a month. At no point are you increasing or decreasing this amount. Your yield on cost is about 2.27, and then you can see here just how much you are earning. So let's go ahead and plug in 30 years and see how big of a change this is going to be, because compound interest, it plays in your favor in the long term. So you can see right over here, in 30 years, after having invested as much as you did, you're going to have $320,000. So let's go ahead and plug in real quick. So we have 2,400 times 30 years, plus the 200 that we started off with. You've invested $72,200, and you've made $320,000 in total, which is a return of 341%. You are making about $200 in dividends every single month with $2,400 annually, and made over $25,000 in just dividends alone, bringing your yield on cost to about 3.29%. So investing in the long term is really critical. So what I recommend is checking out M1 Finance. This is the platform I use to do my investing long term. I'll have a link for them in the show notes down below. You can invest in VOO or any other ETFs or stocks you would like. Using that link down below helps support out the channel, and you get a nice sign up bonus. But I also want you to click right over here so you can keep on learning more and growing with your investments.